Hey pioneers, just a quick update. Something strange is happening in the Pi Network Mainnet Checklist. Could this be a sign the second migration is getting closer? Now if we open our Pi app and then go to the Mainnet, and as you can see here on the transferable balance, if we view the Mainnet checklist, the step 3 is turned to orange. Previously it is green. So if we click on that one, we need to reconfirm our wallet. So we need to enter our 24-word passphrase. Once you've done that, the Pi app will send us an email confirmation to the email address that we link in the Pi app. So it is important to have the email address linked to the Pi account to receive the email confirmation. So now I'm going to check my email address or Gmail and then get back to you. Here I'm on the email or Gmail, and here's the email. As you can see, we just need to click this link, verify, and let's open this one with Chrome, and this will redirect us to the Pi app. So let's just click open. Now it is successful. So now let's try to visit the checklist again. So let's go back and click Mainnet and then view the checklist, and as you can see, it is now green. Just a reminder that in our profile, we need to make sure that the email address is attached in order for us to receive the email confirmation. Spread the word, tag your Pi friends, and reconfirm your wallet now. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned. I'll keep you updated on everything Pi Network.